Hello everyone and welcome to our Shadcn Dashboard channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use the CLI to install our blocks and components. What if you could install complete dashboard layouts like these with a single command? With the Shadcn Dashboard CLI, you can browse our collection of production-ready dashboard blocks, copy the install command, and add them directly to your project in seconds. No manual setup, no copying files, and no repetitive work. Just install the blocks you need and start building. Let's see how it works. Let's start by creating a new project. First, head over to the Shadcn UI Create Project page. For this video, we'll use Next.js as our framework and base UI as the component foundation. You can follow the same process with White if you prefer a React project. Once you've selected your options, copy the generated command, open your terminal or PowerShell, paste the command and run it. The CLI will scaffold a new project with all the required dependencies and configuration. This may take a minute depending on your internet connection. Once the installation is complete, we'll have a fresh project ready to integrate the Shadcn Dashboard MCP server. Now that our project is ready, let's open it in Anti-Gravity IDE. For this video, we'll be using Anti-Gravity IDE as our code editor, but you can follow the same steps in any MCP compatible editor. Let's configure Shadcn Dashboard. Open the Shadcn Dashboard documentation and scroll down to the installation section. Here, you'll find two setup options, one for the free blocks and another for the premium blocks. If you're using the premium version, you'll need your license key. Open the .env file in your project and add both your registered email address and your license key, as shown in the documentation. Next, open the components.json file in your project and copy the Shadcn dashboard configuration from the documentation. Paste it into your components.json file exactly as shown. And that's it. Your project is now configured to use Shadcn Dashboard. Let's explore the Shadcn Dashboard block library. As you can see, we have a wide variety of production-ready blocks, including dashboard shells, cards, charts, forms, tables, authentication pages, and much more. For this example, let's open the cards category. The first block is the product cards collection, which is perfect for displaying KPI metrics, statistics, and summary information in your dashboard. You can preview the block in different screen sizes to see how it responds across devices. You can also switch between light and dark mode and preview it with different design styles like Lyra, Mira, Nova, and more. If you'd like to see how it's built, you can also switch to the Code tab. Here, you'll find the complete source code for the block, making it easy to understand the implementation or customize it before adding it to your project. Once you're happy with the preview, simply copy the CLI command and install the block directly into your application. On the right-hand side, you'll find the CLI installation commands. We support all the major package managers, including NPM, PNPM, Yarn, and Bun, so you can use whichever one fits your project. For this project, we'll copy the PNPM command, head back to our terminal, and install the card block. Now let's install the product card block. Paste the command you copied from the documentation into your terminal and run it. The product card has now been installed successfully. Let's take a quick look at the code that was added to our project. As you can see, the CLI automatically added all the required files and components, so there's no need to manually copy or configure anything. Now let's start the development server and see our product card in action. And that's how easy it is to install production-ready dashboard blocks with the Shadcn Dashboard CLI. Whether you need dashboard shells, cards, charts, tables, forms, authentication pages, or complete layouts, you can install them with a single command and start building right away. Be sure to explore the full Shadcn dashboard collection to discover even more blocks, components, and templates for your next project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.